Joe Beermaster. We have a 2015 Mazda 6. This goes for multiple years. I'll show you how to get the handles out to do a repair or whatever. And this one, Mazda did a nice job. Very simple. Some of the other manufacturers do the same thing. You open the jam, and right here you'll see this little circle. See that little circle there, and there's a little cap on it. You pry that cap off, and then you want to use a hex head. This is, I don't know if it's a 27 or a 40. And you want to put that in there and spin this screw out. Now you don't want to take it out all the way because it will fall in. You just loosen it up. It sort of has a stop on it so it doesn't fall out, but they can fall in. Certain models are different. So now you want to get this little cap off here and wiggle it out. You can even use a screwdriver real gently. Just kind of work it out. Do it very tactfully, and it will come out. Alright, so it's not always as easy as it seems. And then you want to slide this that way. Pull it. And there you go. Handle is out. If you need to do repairs, body repairs, you can now do it. If you need to get in, you can reach your finger in here and just pull it. Mazda did a great job with that. And it's real simple. You can do it in a minute. Joe Beermaster. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.